on collecting. There's some data types that are actually very related. Now, this data type, we call them collection type. There are 4 collection types. Number 1 is we have a list. Number 1 here we have is list. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable. List is ordered, changeable, it allows duplicate members. 2. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, but allows duplicate members. It's ordered but unchangeable. Allow duplicate members. Set is a collection which is ordered, unordered, and unindexed. Set is just different. Unordered, unindexed, no duplicate. The 4th one is dictionary. Dictionary is collection which is unordered, changeable, indexed, no duplicate members. Unordered, changeable, indexed, no duplicate members. 2 out, 2 in. Unordered is changeable, indexed, then no duplicate member. How do we write list? List can be written in using the bracket. We have my list. My list equals to code. We open a square bracket. We have a quote. The item will be in quote, except it's a number. Coke, chocolate, and whatever water. Then we'll print out our list to give us this. Now, the next thing to do is how do we access list? Let's say I want to print out this. How do I access it? I can access my list by using list index position. Index is the position in a number line, on a straight line. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity of the next number. So we want to pick in this, accessing this my list. We want to print out from 0 to 2. We want to print out 0, 1 means 2 is not inclusive. Index 2 is not inclusive, but that's the boundary. So we have print my list 0, 2, that's 0, colon 2. Print index 0, index 1, till 2. So we print out Coke and chocolate. Next to do is, this example returns the item from the beginning to orange. We want to print out 4 items starting from 0 to orange. Means you have to print 4 items out of the fruit list. So we'll print out, we use print fruit colon 4. This 0, 1, 2, 3. When it counts, the count of 4, it will stop, and you know it started from 0. So 4 items before 0 will stop at index 3. So we use fruit bracket colon 4. So print out this guys here. The next is changing item value. You want to change the item value here. Fruit, we declare a new fruit, apple, banana, and cherry. We'll print out the fruit to check. Now, from there, we can change any of the values here. To change this, we want to change index 2, 0, 1, 2. That's cherry to purple. So we have fruit in the bracket. We use this angle square bracket to access the value of the list. Fruit index 2, equals to purple. Print out fruit, apple, banana, purple. So that's how we arrive at here. So then we can look through list. Look through is moving across the list. We use this for loop, which we are going to teach very soon. For y in fruits, print for y is a variable that hosts that is a placeholder in a variable. When we count we look through, we walk across the list. Apple, we put the apple inside y and print it out. When it moves down to banana, we put bananas, the value inside y and print it out. For every count inside fruit will be printed out. So we have apple, banana, purple. Then in case we have a list which we do not know how many items are inside, so we want to know the length of the list, we say print with this length method. This we bring this length method. This length method. So we use print length. The variable of list will be inside the bracket, and don't forget there's an open bracket here for print method, and there's a close print method. Length also has its own, so we have to open a function, nest the function inside each other. So this method are nested inside each other. We want to add an item. Let's say we want to increase the items inside our list. We go to print fruit. We have 4 here. So we want to add to it. We have fruit dot length. Length is also a method. The method of the length of a list. We want to add to it. We said append method. This method, inside it can take an argument. So the argument will be the value that you want to add to it. So fruits dot append tomato. Then we have print. We print out the fruit. We print out, you see that tomato is added. Then we want to remove apple from the index 0. To remove that, we say fruit dot remove the value of the item to the inside. So if you pick it out, print out to find out that it's out. Then we want to copy list. To copy a list to another list. Let's say I have 2 different lists. I want to copy the existing one to another one to have a copy. Maybe I want to keep or have a duplicate. Now, we said it's ordered, it's indexed, and it can be duplicated. Now, my fruit equals to fruit dot copy. My fruit is the new list. My fruit is the old list. So this new list does not have anything. For us to do that, we use copy method. Copy method takes the argument, but now we're not using it. We're just going to copy. My fruit equals to fruit dot copy. This is the new list. This is the old list. So new list equals to old list dot copy method. Then you print out the new one. Give you this. Then we go to the next one, which is joining. We want to join 2 lists. Join 2 lists. We have a list. Our fruits equals to cocoa and melon. And I want to join our fruits to fruits. So we have join fruits equals to fruits plus or concatenate it to our fruits, which when we print out join fruits, it will give us banana, apple, tomato, cocoa, and melon. Now, if I don't want anything inside the list anymore, I want to empty it. I use a clear method. The clear method will have clear this clear method said any of the name of the list, period, or dot the method my food dot clear. So we'll print out my food equals to empty list. We can likewise delete. A list. You can likewise delete a list. Let's say I want to delete join fruits. Remember, you have a join fruits from here. This, I want to take it out. If I delete it, to go up. So we now have to test it here. Test, maybe it exists. Test it. Exist. So we do that. When you do that, it's now defined. Then we want to use a list constructor. Maybe you want to initiate a list by using a list constructor. This list constructor, it forces Python to assign this because we have list already defined here. So we have list con, let my list constructor equals to list into bracket. We're going to open a bracket 2 times. We have the 2 bracket tile topper to because they are list of names. So when we print out, we're going to create this list. So to be sure, we just go ahead and check the type of the list. The type of list con is telling us, oh, it's a list. So that's how we work with list.